next file operation what we are going to do is count. So till now we are discussing that file operation one by one command. Okay, so next file operation is count, or nothing but your word count. We can say as word count. Word count we can say wc. The command which we are using is wc command. Okay, wc is a command which is used for counting the word. See here we have to follow that particular syntax. See why this wc command is, which is used to find out. wc used to find out. Yes, first find out the number of, is used to find out the number of lines, number of words, number of characters in a particular file. Okay, na? Which is used to find out number of lines, how many lines are there, how many characters are there, how many words are there. So, which is used to find out the number of lines, number of characters, number of characters, number of words. Words in a specific file or files. With okay, now where I am in desktop folder. Okay, now the command, now I'm moving to, so suppose if I'm moving to this DS600 folder. Okay, some files is there. I'm moving to timestamp because many files will be there, so I'm moving there. Okay. Hmm. Many files is there. Some content is there. Okay. See, WC. So suppose if I'm giving WC that particular file name. Okay, here the syntax to find out the word count of the particular file. Just you give, okay, WC that particular file name. That's all. Okay, here I'm giving, I am in timestamp folder. I'm having one file called qwerty1.txt. So I'm going to give that particular file WC. Okay, because for that particular file, I want to find out the word count. So I'm giving WC qwerty1.txt. See, this is the answer you are getting. So what is mean by this 23? What is mean by this 29? Or what is mean by this 170? This first is displaying the number of lines, second one number of words, third one number of characters, that is bytes size. Okay, na? Number of lines, the order is, the first one is number of lines, second one is number of words, third one is number of bytes, that is size of the content. Is it okay now? So just instead of finding how many things, just I'm giving this word count. It's going to give our count. That's all. Here we can give multiple files also. Here I have given qwerty1.txt. Suppose if I'm giving qwerty2.lnk. Here one case you have to remember, it will support for any file format, because what is my aim is to count. We may count in any Excel sheet, I may count in any CSV file. The extension is not at all matter here. I want only the count. So here in previous example, here I have checked with one file. Here I am checking with multiple files. So one qt2.lnk. See how it is showing the answer. It is showing the answer as, see the first file, that is qt1.txt, 23 lines, okay, 29 that characters, 170 words. qt2.lnk, because that is linking file only, no, so only it is showing the same case. Suppose if I'm checking with another file, suppose if I'm checking with a.txt and I'm checking with test.xls, I will check with this case. A.txt, another one is test.xls. See the syntax, there is no comma. That one you have to remember. In normally, you know, in C mod, that is changing modification file permission, you will be giving comma in that case. User comma, group comma, others. Here no comma here. Just word count, file name one, file name two. In cat also, in cat, if you want to merge a file, you will be giving the redirection symbol each one. But here only space only. See the syntax. See the answer. For the file a.txt, that is first three indicates number of line as 3, number of characters, that is number of words as 10, total size is 50 for the file a.txt. Second file test.xls, that is 4. The number of line is 4, number of words is 15, that word size, the size is 76. It is showing the total also by adding these two things. Is it okay now? The same case, it you can check with cat option also, ma. No issues. Test.xls. Where it is dot. Say I have given the file name, wrong file name. Is it okay now? Next option. Some option is there. Okay. What is the option here? It is there now. Minus M option. Have we discussed minus M option before? Minus M. Can anyone remember? Till previous class, can we shall we discuss that minus n option? Minus m means modification time in touch command. Here minus m option, here also we are going to discuss. Here minus n option is displaying only the number of characters in a file. In okay, see in this example, see here, see this command word count. I'm giving that multiple files with different file extension. It is displaying everything. It is displaying number of lines, it is displaying number of characters, it is displaying the size. If I want only number of lines, or if I want only the number of characters, or if I want only the number of lines, we have to, that is separate option. That is wc minus l, wc minus m, wc minus c. Here it is displaying all the things in a single, that is, it is displaying everything. If I want that particular thing alone, I want only the characters, you have to give minus c option. Suppose if I want only the lines, you have to give minus l option. That's all, remaining thing is same only. Here in that case, wc, everything must be given in small letters, ma. Minus l displays number of characters, characters in a, is it okay na? Now I'm giving wc for this file. Okay, I'm going to check this for, here I'm going to check for both files, ma. Here we can check for both files also with a different file extension. Okay na? So I'm going to find out minus l option, that is I want only the number of characters or number of words in a file. So I'm checking with multiple files, the different extension in a single command. Okay, multiple files, the different extension in single command, and pressing enter. See how it is showing. Is it okay now? In file 1, that is a.txt, 3 lines are there. In file 2, test.xls, 4 lines are there. Totally 7 lines is there. The same case, that is the same thing. It is, we are segregating what alone we want. If I want only character, like that. Suppose if I'm giving like this. Sorry, this is actual number of lines in a file. Is it okay now? That mistake I have done, you people also, you didn't say. Or you, second, second option, WZ minus M. WZ minus M, number of bytes in a file. So I'm checking with this, the same file. So here I am taking one file a.txt, another one is test.xls. Both are different file extension. Here I am checking in multiple files in a single command. So I am checking with minus L option first. Okay, minus L option is nothing but number of files in a file. See, three lines. Three lines in first file, four lines in second file, test.xls. It is showing the total also. Second example, I'm going to check number of characters. Here minus n option. One thing you have to remember, in yesterday's class, we have discussed minus m option along with touch command. In that case, the function of minus m is modification time or m time. Here also, today also, we are discussing minus m option. This minus m option along with the word count, that is WC, is displaying the number of characters in a file. You must know clearly. See how many words. That is 50 words in a.txt, 76 words in text.xls. The same case I'm giving for, it is showing the same answer. Actually, for word count, this 10, 15, and 25 must display, right? What it is showing, see, in both the cases, minus m option and for minus c option, it is showing the same answer. See, in both cases. See here, see the answer. Minus c option, print the byte counts. Minus n option, print the character counts. So only we are getting the same answer. Now it is clear now. See, minus c option, print the byte counts. Minus m option, print the character counts. Minus l option, print the new line counts. Minus minus file 0 hyphen from equal to f, read input from this file specified. Is it okay now? Now I will discuss this also. Okay, next option is I'm giving minus capital L. So the minus uh, before where we have discussed minus capital L option, we have discussed minus L. Where we have discussed minus L. Where we have discussed minus L. Hmm. See, here I want to display the maximum length of that particular file. So this I'm using this minus L option, capital minus L. So for this which file? Test.xls. So it is showing that maximum length that particular file. Is it okay now? See, these are the some options that we can use with WC command. Minus C, minus M, minus small l, minus capital L, and minus W. Is it okay? Next one I'm using with WC version. It is showing which version we are using. That version now what we are using is 8.3 version, which is developed by Paul Rubin. The same person only the developed that Linux, that is LS version also. LS hyphen hyphen version we will be using, the same person only developed this also. Is it okay now? Now are you clear with the WC command? WC nothing but where I have gone now, WC help. WC help also is like a help menu. So what it will give you the description about that particular command. It will show you what are the options it is there. See, these are the options available in WC command. Minus C, minus M, minus L, minus capital L, and minus W. Is it okay now? Another one command. Uh, then another command is man command. See, thank you, mom. So man command. Have you discussed this man command? So man command is similar to help only. Suppose if I'm giving just man, it will show you like this. What do you want? Suppose if I'm giving man, I'm giving mkdir. Okay, so man command means it's like a guidance. It is showing you some manual pages. It is showing you some like help option only. Okay, now I don't know what is mean by mkdir. Okay, I don't know what is mean by mkdir. So I'm giving man mkdir. So it will show you here one separate page will be open, one separate page will be open, and it will show you the, it will describe the about that particular command. Here what is the command? Here I have given mkdir. See, mkdir make directories. What are the option here we can use? Minus M option, minus P option, minus V option. So it will give you the detailed description of that particular command. Okay, see, it opens like a particular page. He is that particular same person, David only. See, it will show you in detail one. See how it is asking. Innama? Ah. See, manual page, how many lines is there? If I want further, you can press H. That is press H for help. If you don't want, you just press Q. It will come off that page. So it will show you or it will guide the user. Okay, like manual, user manual, we will be saying, no, how to use that particular Android phone, how to use that particular cooker, washing machine. Like user manual, here also, all for all the commands, this user manual is there. Suppose if I'm giving like this, man command like ls. If I want to find the ls command, see, it will take me to the separate page. That is one thing you have to remember. It is a manual page. It's a manual page. See, ls listed directory contents. What are the options it is there? Ls minus a, ls minus capital A, ls minus author, B, block size, ignore, C, color, directory, classify, full time, G, H, hide, see, ls minus I, ls minus K, everything is there, no? It will show you the detailed information about that particular command. It not only command we can give any kind of utility programs or functions. Here one case is there. Everything will be open in the page format. Suppose I'm giving like this itself, man. I don't know what is mean by man. So I'm going to search that also. See, Man means an interface to the system reference manual. Here I am checking about man. See how many options. See, in man, these options are there: man minus K, man minus F, man minus L, and man minus W. See, man is nothing but is a system's manual pager. Okay, each page argument given to man is normally the name of the program. We can use the name of the program or utility or function. Manual page is associated with each of these arguments and it is found on display. It will be having many sections. See, it will be having these 9 sections. Several sections is there: name, synapses, configuration, description, options, exit status, return value. It will keep on moving. See what are the options we can use. Finding manual pages. Is it okay now? Exit status. These are some sections. That is what we discussed earlier. See, exit status, environment. See in this line. See they have given now where it is. Hmm. The man page consists of several sections, right? These are the sections. That is now we should discuss the environment, files, version. These everything will be separate sections. They will be giving everything in detailed manner. So you keep on scroll, it will give you a detailed, clear-cut information. You read at your free time once, then it is easy for you to remember. Definitely, it will help you in many places. Okay, see how many sections are there. Till history, how they found out, everything is there, and what is the latest version they are using. Everything they are given here. So I'm just quitting out of it. Is it okay now? Next command, uh, history command. So history shall be discussed one of the basic commands. No, no. History means till now how many commands I have discussed. It will show you. Till now, till day one of the class to till day 8, I have discussed 788, 778 commands. Because why? Because I didn't give any clear screen till now. For my reference, I didn't give any clear screen because to in order to take notes. So 778 commands are there. It will show you that everything. See that writings, whatever things we are given in the terminal, it will display you. So history of commands. Is it okay now? It's history. The command is just history only. Okay. See, these are see free command disk free. DF stands for disk free, no? Disk free minus I. State minus I. Sudo uses. Okay, fine. Is it okay now? Shall we move to new topic? Next new topic. New topic. Any doubt in this? Some basic commands? No, no. Okay, I will move to next new topic. Okay, next new topic is nothing but your path. Path. See here, path is nothing but a location or location of files or folder in a file system. So, what is the file system where Linux is using? Can anyone name one of the file systems? Any file system Linux is using? Can anyone name one of the file system that Linux is using? Anything we can say. Yes, swap file, extension 2, extension 3, extension 4. Okay, here no, path is nothing but a unique location we can say. A unique location where that particular file or particular folder is stored or where that particular file or folder is located. Here coming to the path of path, two types is there. Okay, one type is relative path, another type is absolute path. So the best example means okay, I will discuss. absolute path and relative path. Absolute path means, see, consider this example. I'm in Egmore and I want to go to Tamram. Okay, Egmore is a source and Tamram is a destination. See, I don't know the path. I want to go to Tamram. So I'm asking that particular person. Okay, my source is Egmore only. So I'm from Egmore. He is saying, you go to this, you go to this, you go to this, and you finally you will be reaching Tamram. So from source node, he is saying me the path. You go to Madhya Kailash, you go to Koturpuram, you go to Gindi, then you go to Tamram. So from root node, from initial, that is from parent, from top priority, he is direct me the whole entire path. Okay, that is first case. That is absolute path or complete path or perfect path. I don't know where I want to go. I want to go to Tamram. I am in ignore. Okay, I am asking the one person how to go to Tamram. So source is here only. So exact space is there only. He is directing me or he is locating me. This is the path we have to go. Same case, relative path. I am in Koturpuram. My aim is to reach, that is Tamram. So I am in mid. So I want to only that relative path alone. From Koturpuram, then I want to go to Gindi, then I want to go to Tamram. So here in coming to the point of relative path, I didn't start from the original position. I didn't start from the parent directory. I didn't start from the root directory. That is a major difference. Absolute path is, we can say, perfect path or is a complete path of that particular file or location. Relative path means at exactly where I am. From that position, I'm moving to my destination place. I want to go to Tamram. Now I'm in Gindi. Just only two steps is there. Absolute path means from source or from root or from parent. It is showing the path. Now it is able to clear now. The absolute path is nothing but your perfect path, we can say, or we can say is a complete path where it is there. Is it clear now? For all the file system, coming to the point of coming to the point of Linux, the absolute path starts from where? Can anyone say? We are discussing about Linux. We are discussing about file operation. One of the file operation what we are discussing is we are discussed word count. My question is, all the files or it may be all your folders, where is the parent one? Where it will start? Root node.
Root.
Yes, root node. It may be anything. Root node is the source one or it is priority one. So all the absolute part will start from root node only. Okay. Now I will show you the example for all these things. Now I am in desktop folder. I am in desktop folder. Okay. See, in my desktop, these much files are there. This much files are there. Some folders, timestamp, Linux, some folders are there. Okay. Now I'm so normally to find the path, what is the command you will be giving? To find the path or to find the location. One command we will be giving. Can anyone remember? SPWD. So it shows me the that present working directory, that location. See, my present working directory is desktop. Where it is? It is in Nilate. It is in home. That home is in where? I have highlighted, right? Root node. So here it is showing me the yes, Ashima. So it is here it is showing me the whole entire absolute path here. Is it okay now? The same case, suppose if I'm moving to like this, anything it may be. I'm moving to this. Now I'm checking with present working directory. See, morning. Morning is a child of DS600. It is a child of desktop. It is a child of Nilite. Nilite is a child of home. Home is a child of root. It is showing the complete entire path here. Okay, the same case, suppose if I'm moving like this. See, see, now I have moved to my root directory. Now I'm checking here with the same present working directory. See the answer here. Now it is clear now. So the base one or the source one is your root. Okay, this is what your absolute path. It is giving the complete path, or it is giving the perfect path, or it is giving the full path. So only the word they are giving absolutely correct. They will be saying no. His answer is absolutely correct. It is giving the exact path, entire exact path. Okay, now I have checked in root directory also we have checked. We have checked in normal folder also we have checked. We have checked in home directory also. Three cases now we have checked. This is one of the path, that is your absolute path. Now, the second case, that is your relative path. One thing. So for the point of relative path, ls, okay, I'm giving cd, okay, cd, home, nihilate, desktop, I'm giving ds500. See, I have directly given here. See the path, see the difference here. Here, one case, I know the path, so I'm giving. See here, in this path, CD have given home. My aim is I want to go to DS500. I know where it is located because I am the owner here. So I have directly given the whole relative path here. If I don't know, because if are the other users or other group users, you don't know, then what you will be normally giving? You will be giving like this, no? You will be giving the CD. Back you will be giving, or you will be giving. So this is what the relative path. From one page you are going step by step. See now, suppose if I'm in home directory. So now what is the command I'm giving means, see I will show you pwd. See now what is the command here I have given is, see, I want to find, okay, now I'm in home directory. Okay, I want to find the present working directory for all. Okay, here I want to find the part for all. So I have given the find. Here this dollar symbol act as the environment variable for present working directory. See in home page, whatever it is there, it is displaying. Home, nihilate, home, in that nihilate bash history is there. In that nihilate DS extender is there. In that nihilate some UPG is there. Linux is there. Pictures is there. These are in nihilate. Coming to the point. See, it is showing all the subdirectories. See, in nihilate next it is coming to desktop. So in desktop some test data 13 is there, A3 is there, DS500 is there, test data 14, test data 11. See next it is coming to Linux, home, nihilate, desktop, thanks ka. Sample. Now you are able to follow now what I am displaying here. See what is the command here I am giving is, see everything, all your hidden files also it is showing. It is showing in alphabetical order. See the hidden files, your music folder, profile, videos, everything it is showing. The command I have given is find. I want to find for all in where? In home directory. The same case I am giving in root directory. We will check. Now I am directly moving to root. Okay, this is also, see, I have given capital letter. So only it is showing a error. Okay, I have given capital letter. Okay, why it is showing error means here I have given capital error capital error, capital letters. Here I have directly moved to this root directory. Now I will check here the same command. It will keep on moving because in root many folders is there. No, it will keep on moving all the folders, all are sudo duper users, admin users. So it will keep on moving. See, lib files is there, share files is there, boot plus system, last found. See, the permission is denied for all things. It is showing the location, it is showing the path where it is located, but it is showing the permission is also denied, it is showing. Suppose if I'm giving, now I'm in root page. Suppose if I want to move to, see, this is what a relative path I am giving. Suppose in the same case, suppose if I'm like this, I am in desktop. Okay, I am in desktop. Now I'm giving that relative path of DS600. I'm moving to that. That's all. There is a difference between the absolute part and relative part. Absolute part, it will show you the entire thing. Relative part, I am in middle only. So I will move further to that particular location. So only here I have given just CDDS600. Already I am in desktop. I want to further move further. So I'm just giving that particular alone. Now I'm checking the same command. Find, see, it will show you the particular all the files and folder, the entire folder, that entire path it will be showing you. Find $pwd. Same case, if I want to display only the particular files alone. I want to display only the particular files alone. The same command we have to use. The syntax is we have to give type. The syntax is find $pwd. Type we have to give. I think I have dollar $pwd. If I give F means file. If I give D means directory. Okay, so I'm giving F or D. Same case I'm giving. I'm in my folder I'm in DS600 folder. Okay. So I want only directories to be displayed. So I'm giving the type is directory. So I'm giving D. I'm in DS600 folder. So I'm executing this command. In DS600, only one folder is there, morning. And it is the location. It is the current path of that particular folder, DS600. Is it okay now? Same case, if I want to find for files, I am giving F. I am giving type. Okay, type as F. See, it will show you what are the files available in this particular DS600 folder, that particular entire path. Okay, na? Here it is showing you the entire path, that is absolute path it is showing. Okay, I'm finding the absolute path. See, from where it is showing from the root only, no? Root, home, Nilet, desktop, DS600 sample. Okay, is it clear now? Next case, now is it okay? Now I'm in DS600 folder, no issues. Now the same case. I don't want elaborately. I don't want the entire path. See, home, Nilet, desktop, DS600 sample. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five subdivisions is there, no? Home to root to home, home to Nilet to desktop, desktop to DS600, DS600 to sample.txt. I don't want that much path. So I'm decreasing my path level. So for that, what is the command we will be using? Maximum depth. We will be giving the concept of maximum depth. I want only 2. I want only 3. So it will show you that level alone. It will won't go further. Suppose, see, if you see the output, then it is easy for you to understand. Same case, now I am in DS600 folder. Now I am giving the maximum depth as 2 only. It will show you maximum depth. See, it is showing an error. One second, ma. One second, it is showing error. One second. So what this means, here I have changed the order. Actually, the maximum depth must first come. Next, it will be coming the type. So only it is showing the warning message, but it is not throwing the error. It is showing the warning message. See the warning. So the maximum depth after the argument type, but global option is not positional. That is the maximum depth affects the test specified before it as well as those specified after it. Okay, so here solely it is showing a warning, not throwing an error. Now I'm changing this argument position. I'm changing the argument first as maximum depth, second as type. I'm giving type for D. Is it okay now? Now it won't throw the error. Why? Because here in that case I have changed the argument. So, is it okay now? Is it okay for all? Any doubt in this? Suppose if I'm giving, I'm in where? See? I'm here I have given the command called find dot. Here I have given find dot. Actually, dot means root directory. That is root directory means from for this which one is that is parent directory. See, see now in DS600 folder, if I'm giving find dot, it will start to search from DS600 what are the files is available. Same case if I'm giving like this. I'm giving find dot in root directory, it will show you the root directory in that particular page. If I'm giving that find dot in the if in that particular any home page, it will show you in that. That is what three examples. First example is so the same case I'm giving. Here I'm giving the relative path. Relative path is where it is starting. It is starting from root. It is starting from home. It is starting from desktop. I'm stopping with this alone. I'm stopping. So only I'm stopping. So I'm closing that path. So it is, I think, annihilate, right? Mm. So I'm parting now here itself. Now I'm giving find dot. It will search in desktop folder. For this, the root is desktop. See all the files. That is example. We were discussed now by using touch command. Everything will be there. So here this dot, what is indicating means. Sorry. Here this dot will search from root only. Here this root is from desktop where I have given.